Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to use Vlookup with match function. It's a part 4. In part 3 we use the match function horizontally. In part 4 we use the match function vertically. First understand the match function. What match function do? Just type is equal to match, press tab key, it will ask you the lookup value. Lookup value is this, Urdu. Type comma, what is the lookup array? Lookup array is all the column. But when I drag it to the bottom, it will change. That's why I have to fix it. Press F4 for absolute. Press comma and 0 for exact match. Just select 0 for exact match. Close the bracket and press enter. It will get the value 2 because Urdu is it's a 1 number, it's a 2 number, it's a 3, it's a 4, it's a 5, it's a 6. Urdu is number 2. It will get the value 2 from here. Now if I drag it to the bottom, it will get the value of English 3 and math 4 because 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will use the Vlookup with match function from here. Just delete it and just delete it. Just type is equal to Vlookup, press tab key, it will ask you the lookup value. Lookup value is student name. I will select the student name. But when we drag it to the down, it will change. That's why I have to fix it. Just press F4 for absolute. Type comma, it will ask you the table array. Table array is these, all the column and rows. This is the table array. But I will drag it to the down, it will change. That's why I have to fix it. Just press F4 for absolute. Now type comma, it will ask you column index number. I will use match function for column number. Just type match match function. It will ask you the lookup value. Lookup value is B19. It's a Urdu marks, Urdu subject. Just type B19 and comma. I will not fix it because I will drag it to the down, it will change. That's why I will not change it to the fix. Now it will ask you the lookup array. Just select all the column of this table. It's a lookup array, but I have to fix it. Just press F4 to fix. Type comma, it will ask you the exact number. Just match type, I will select the 0 for exact match. Now close the bracket and close the bracket. press enter. Now Naveed marks is 87 in Urdu. Just let's see, 87. Now drag it to down. Now you can see here 57 for English, 52 for math, 46 for chemistry, 39 for physics. If I change the student name Imran, now you can see here 45 for Urdu, 93 for English, 93 for math, 56 for chemistry and 46 for physics. Now you can change it any student, it will change the marks. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.